Look, Mark, no hands. Hello everyone. Just having a nice ride through Greenhill Park. There's the wedges. Yeah, it's a lovely day. Just thought I'd have a quick ride out. There's Bowling Green. There's the other Bowling Green. Looking nice and well kept. Oh. Yes, it looks very nice today. There's a skate park down there. There's the multi-use games area, or Mugger. So I'm out today on my winter hack bike, well my all year round hack bike, my Trax TR1. Skate park there. That's very cool. Yeah, I'm useless when it comes to anything skateboardy or skating. Rollerblades I can just about manage. Just going back a long time now. Oh dear, it's windy. Such a nice day. order. Right, let's give you a quick walk around here. Yes, this is my hack bike, a Trax TR1. So quite a few modifications to it. From standard, I've had it, oh goodness, how long now? Must be going on at least 12 years. Oh dear, that's just come off. Oh dear. Yeah. The screws popped out at some point, so I need to just put a new screw in there. It's the I love my bike bell, although the heart is faded from being left out in the garden. It's had, well, new grips, new shifters, the metal shifters from Clark's. I put the original plastic not shifters, brake levers. What am I saying? It's got replacement brake levers from Clark's. The original plastic ones went on my Rally Swift. I replaced the broken brake levers on there with rods off here, and upgraded these. They're quite stubby, but yeah, adequate. Bike lock, of course, although it's, oh, that's got worse a bit. Yeah, it's rubbed on the sticker and a bit of rust on the frame, but doesn't seem to be going through. So it's also had chain set replaced. This is a Suntour 152mm length triple chain set to replace the, I think there were 170s originally fitted on there, which are quite long. I prefer 165s or shorter if possible. It's got Well-Go pedals. There we go, SPD on one side. And flats on the other, so I can use my touring shoes with that. Comes equipped with Shimano Tawny rear derailleur and front mech. I did mention it's a hack bike, isn't it? That's why it looks a bit grubby. Uses SRAM Max grip shifts, so these are original. V-brakes, original. Both wheels have been replaced. The rear wheel, why did I replace the rear wheel? Ah yes, the rear wheel was replaced because the rear 6-speed freewheel was seized on and couldn't replace it, couldn't get it off, so replaced the rear wheel as you do. What was it? Oh, I tried to service the axle and I because I couldn't get the freewheel off, I couldn't service the bearings on the other side, and I made a mess of it. That's all you need to know. I made a mess of it and just decided to replace the rear wheel. Front wheel, that one was replaced also with a nice black one. This is the bike I was riding when I was involved in a collision with a car that broke my collarbone, which sucked. The front wheel was badly buckled, so that needed to be replaced. The rest of the bike was fine. You know, the forks weren't damaged or out. Yes, that was very annoying. The got mud guards front and rear, so great for all weathers. I forget the brand that these are. They're not Bluemels, they're something else. I'm sure it'll come to me. I'll put it in the description if I remember what they were. Oh, there we go. Come on, focus. Tortec. There we go. And yeah, they've proved pretty good. Quite fiddly to fit, because the eyelets and things on this bike aren't great. They're pretty hard to do. I lost the bolt to the front at some point. It just bounced out somehow, so that's held on with zip tie. Come on, focus. Yeah, that's held on with a zip tie. Works. What else can I tell you about this bike? Front headset is the quill stem is seized or something. I've not been able to take this apart, but it still works for now. Yeah, I mean the saddle needs, well, when it goes, I'll replace it. It is it's a decent bike, and with me being quite short, finding a bike that's reasonably in my size is a bit of a bother. This bike cost all of £99 from Halfords a few years ago. How much? Must be 12-13 years ago, so it's done all right. Yeah, I've done like duathlons and things on it, and I've gone around the peaks on it out to Hathersage and stuff. The gears are very good for going up hills. with its triple chain set. I mean, it weighs a ton. It's like 16 kilos with all the kit on. So yeah, so about, what is it? My road bike is 9 kilos, so you can work out what percentage difference that is. So about head back home. It was meant to be a quick trip out, but it is really nice today. It's typical Sheffield. Even the council estates are really green. Lots of trees everywhere. The lovely thing about this city, you're never more than a few minutes away from some greenery, or indeed the Peak District, which is just over those hills. Anyway, with that, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please press like, please subscribe. Hit that bell notification icon so you know when I put out any videos in future. And until next time, bye for now. Very noisy road over there, A61.